Hey guys, now I'm back with another Popit. This is a cat Popit with a cute bow, which is, it looks like the cat from the My Little Pony Rarities cat, but just rainbow. So this Popit is like it's not bad though. You guys can hear? This is the okay side. This is the better side. Okay. It's pretty loud in the good side. So let's count the bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there are like 24 bubbles. So I'm gonna play it one more time. Okay guys, bye. I'm gonna show you another one.